Dear students, good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Kalai K. Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC, Onekal, Bangalore. Dear students, in previous class, we have seen the theoretical parts of machine hour rates and the format of machine hour rate. Then illustration also given by me for your clear understanding. Today we are going to discuss the machine hour rate, some more problems. Let me move on to problem. Let me read the problem first. Work out the machine hour rate for the following machine for the month of January. They're asking to calculate machine hour rate here. Cost of machine rupees 90,000. Other charges example freight 10,000. Working life 10 years. Working hours 20,000 per year. Repair charges 50% of depreciation. Lubricating oil rupees 2 per day of 8 hours. Then consumable stores at the rate of rupees 10 per day of 8 hours. Then wages of operator at the rate of rupees 4 per day. Okay. See, here we have to divide into two parts, that is standing charges as well as variable charges. Okay. First we find out the standing charges here. What are the standing charges here? Lubricating is the standing charge. Consumable stores is standing charge. Wages of operator, these three things are standing charges. Okay. Then lubricate oil rupees 2 per day of 8 hours means per day. Lubricating oil per day has given. Then consumable stores at rupees 10 per day of 8 hours. That is also for 8 hours, 1 day. Then wages of operator at rupees 4 per day. That is also per day. Per day is equal to 8 hours. Okay. Then the remaining things, what are the things coming under variable charges? The depreciation compulsory come under variable charges. Why? Because cost of machine, other charges are given, working life of machine, hours and all given. So we have to calculate depreciation from this information. Then repairs also coming under variable charges. You know very well, you have studied in the format. I will explain the format items about machine hour rate. Okay. Repair charges 50% of depreciation, the repair charges. Then last one, power. The variable charges, what are the items going to cover? Depreciation, repair and power. These three items will come under the variable charges. Okay. Then here you see the working life 10 years. Okay. Working hours 2,000 per year. See. 1 year 2,000 working hours means 10 years whole life of the machine. Yes, to 2,000 into 10 years andre 20,000 hours. Okay, the life of the machine. Okay, working life of the machine for 10 years, 20,000 hours. Okay, then we calculate power. 10 units per hour at the rate of 10 paise means 10 units into 10 paise. Okay. Then lubricating oil rupees 2 per day of 8 hours. Consumable stores, wages and all we are calculating per year. Then we convert, per hour. Then we will convert into per hour. Okay. 8 hour and we will convert into 1 hour. Okay. Per hour here. Okay. We'll move to solution. See, computation of machine hour rate. We'll give the heading computation of machine hour rate. We have to provide the columns like this, particulars per day and per hour in rupees. Standing charges. What I told you while I am while we are seeing the problem, lubricating oil, consumable stores, wages of operator, these three things are coming under standing charges. Okay. Lubricating oil, see, lubricating oil, rupees 2 per day of 8 hours. Okay. Then rupees 2. Okay. Consumable stores. Consumable stores given here, rupees per 10 per day of 8 hours. Okay. Here consumable stores 10 rupees per day. Then next is wages of operator, rupees 4 per day. Then wages of operator rupees 4. Okay. We have to total it these things. 2, 10, 4 will get 16. 2 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 16. Okay. Standing charges per hour. How we calculate standing charges per hour? The total standing charges 16 per day of 8 hours. Okay. Then divided by 8 hours, we will get per hour. 16 divided by 8, we will get rupees 2. So the standing charges per hour for a machine is equal to rupees 2. Then we are moving to variable charges. What are the things coming under variable charges? What are the items coming under variable charges? Depreciation, repair, and power. How we calculate depreciation? See here, depreciation. How we calculate depreciation? Then nothing has given. Only with this information, we have to calculate depreciation without fail. We should not forget while we are doing the problem. Okay. Cost of machine 90,000. Other charges plus 10,000. Cost of machine plus other charges. Here there is no scrap. Instead of scrap, they are giving other charges. So we have to consider other charges while we are doing calculation for depreciation. 90,000 plus 10,000. Then working life 10 years, working hours 2,000. See the calculation. Depreciation 90,000 plus 10,000 divided by total working life of machine 10 years total life into 2,000 hours per year. Andre 10 years ke ಎಷ್ಟು 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 2,000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 years ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. So 90,000 plus 10,000 1 lakh divided by 10 into 2,000 we will get 20,000 hour for the entire life of the machine. Okay. We will get 5 rupees per hour. Then repair. In the problem, what they given? Repair charges 50% on depreciation. See here, repair charges 50% of depreciation. What is the depreciation charge? 5 rupees. On 5 rupees, we have to calculate 50%. 2 rupees 50 paise. Okay. 55 only half is to 2.50. Then power 10 units at the rate of 10 paise per unit. Okay. Andre 10 units. On the unit 10 paise andre 10 units kestu. See here, power 10 units per hour at the rate of 10 paise per unit. We will get 1 rupee. Okay. We collected all variable charges. Okay. We calculated all variable charges. Standing charges how much? 2 rupees. Variable charges how much? Depreciation plus repair plus power. 2 plus 5 plus 2.5 plus 1 rupees. How much we will get? 10 rupee 50 paise. The entire total 10 rupee 50 paise. That is called machine hour rate. Here machine hour rate we calculated 10 rupee 50 paise. Can you clear about this? Shall we go to next problem? This is the next problem. Let me read the problem. Okay. The following particulars relate to processing machine treating a typical material. The items are given one by one. Cost of machine rupees 10,000. Estimated life 10 years. Scrap value rupees 1,000. Then yearly working time 50 weeks of 44 hours each. Totally how many yearly working time? 2,200 hours. Machine maintenance 200 hours per annum. Then setting up time estimated at 5% of total productive time and it regarded as productive time. Okay. Then electricity is 16 units per hour at 10 pice per unit. Chemical required weekly rupees 20. Then maintenance cost per year rupees 1,200. Next item, 2 attendants control the operations of machine together with 6 other machines. Their combined weekly wages are rupees 140. Departmental overhead allocated to this machine per annum rupees 2,000. You are required to calculate the machine hour rate. With this information, we have to find out the machine hour rate. What we do first, we have to divide these charges into standing charges and variable charges. What are the items coming under standing charges? See, the departmental overheads and attendance. That is the operators of the machine. Okay. Here, wages of the operator we can call. How many machines are there? Totally 7 machines in the department. The 2 attendants are maintaining this machine and also with 6 other machines. That means this machine plus 6 other machines. That is 1 plus 6 equal to 7 machines. Okay, totally 7 machines are in the department. We are calculating the machine hour rate for only 1 machine. Okay, we are not considering 6 other machines. What is the portion? The wages of this machine we have to calculate and give it to a machine operators. Okay, as wages. So we have to standing charges. We have to take standing charges, depreciate departmental overheads as well as the what attendance wages or its wages for operators. Okay. Then variable charges. You see here departmental overhead machine annum it has given. And also attendance that wages of operator also should convert. It is given in weekly. We should convert it into yearly. Okay. How we converted into yearly? Yearly working time has given here 50 weeks. So we have to convert 140 into 50 weeks. Madbeko. Then it is for 7 machines. So 140 into 50 divided by 7 machines. Madre, you will get the operators, 2 operators wages for this machine. Okay. These 2, J and K, will come under standing charges. We'll see by using this variable charges. We are using this depreciation, calculating depreciation. It is coming under variable charges. Then electricity also coming under variable charges. This is given per hour. Then machine VL calculator. Then chemicals. Chemicals also coming under variable charges. Required weekly rupees 20. It is given for weekly 44 hours we will get for hour basis. Okay, chemical. Weekly 20 rupees means If we divided by 44, we will get the chemical per hour. Okay. Next is maintenance. Maintenance cost per year rupees 1200. So this should be converted. That yearly working time has given. Okay. So with this help of, we can calculate maintenance per hour. Okay. This and that should be calculated. Here, see, setting up time, machine maintenance, yearly working time. From these things, we have to calculate effective working hours of a machine per year. Okay. How we calculate? See here, yearly working hours, 2200 hours. Then setting up of time, we should not take into consideration. Why? Because they are telling this regard as a productive time. If it is productive time per percent, productive time means we should not consider this while we calculating effective working hour. Then machine maintenance, we can take into consideration. Okay. 200 hours. That means the effective working life of machine per year is equal to 2200 minus machine maintenance. We have to deduct. Okay, that is that we can treat this as the ideal time of a machine. 2200 minus 200, the effective working hour of machine is 2000 hours per year. Okay, then first we have to calculate this one. Then we move on to find out the standing charges and the variable charges. Then we lastly find machine hour rate. Let me move to the problem. See, computation of machine hour rate. First, we have to provide the column particular per year per hour. In previous class, in 8 hours we took, okay, divided by 8 hours we done. But in this problem, we are using per year, okay. Then per year, see, I already told standing charges. First, departmental overheads. It is already given in the problem per year rupees 2000. Then attendance wages. Attendant wages for attendance means 2 attendants, okay, for this machine. Rupees 140 into 2 attendants case to 140 rupees into yearly how many weeks? 1 year is equal to 50 weeks. So 140 into 50 weeks, we will get what? 1 year wages of attendance. Okay, divided by 7. Why you are dividing by 7? There are 6 machines in the department. Okay, then for this department, if we want to calculate, we have to divide with 7 machines. Get 1000 rupees. Okay, standing charges per year 2000 plus 1000, 3000 is the standing charges per year. Then how we find out standing charges per hour? We need standing charges per hour, isn't it? Then rupees 3000 divided by 2000 hours. How we calculated this 2000 hours? I already explained. See, calculation of effective working hours. Total machine hours 50 into 44. 50 weeks into 44 hours. Then 1 hour is equal to 44 hours. Then 50 into 44. We'll get 2200 hours less maintenance. Maintenance given in the problem 200 hours. It will treated as an idle time. So we have deduct maintenance from the total machine hours. we will get effective working hours. That is 2200 minus 200. We will get 2000 hours. This is called the effective working hours. This should be used in the problem, not this total machine hours. Okay, effective working hours we should calculate and we have to use if the maintenance, idle time, whatever given. Okay, so you have to calculate like this. Then 3000 divided by 2000 hours, effective working hours. We calculated already that 3000 divided by 2000 hours, how much we will get per hour? 1.50 per hour. Standing charges 1.50 per hour. Then next we have to calculate next step, standing charges over. Next we move on to operating charges or variable charges. What I told, first we calculate depreciation. How we calculate depreciation? Here cost of machine given, estimated life given, scrap value given, yearly working time given. We should not consider 2200. We have to consider only effective working life. That is 2000. Instead of 2200, we have to deduct and we have to calculate the depreciation from, while we are doing depreciation, we have to consider 2000 working hours per year. Okay, then see, depreciation, cost of machine, how much? 1 lakh given in the problem, scrap value given in the problem, minus scrap value 1000. Then next, effective working hour, how much? 2000 we calculated. Into how many years? 10 years. The life of the machine was 10 years. See here, estimated life 10 years. Okay. From this, we are calculating depreciation per hour 0.45. Then next is maintenance. Maintenance, how we calculate maintenance? It is clearly given in the problem. Maintenance cost per year rupees 1200. Year ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ estimated life ಎಷ್ಟು year ಗೆ 2000. So maintenance rupees 1200 divided by 2000, we will get 0.60. Okay. Next we move on to next adjustment, chemicals. Chemicals, how we calculate? What given in the problem? Chemicals. Chemicals require weekly rupees 20. See, weekly how many hours? 44 hours. Then chemicals 20 into 50 weeks. Okay. You should not consider 44 hours. Should not at all consider 44 hours. We are normally taking 50 weeks. Okay. So maintenance, we have to find maintenance cost per year has given. Then 1200. Okay. Divided by 2000 effective working hours. Okay, we have considered all here 2000. We should not consider 2200 or some any other information. Okay, we should use here calculated value, that is effective working hours. Maintenance 1200 divided by 2000 effective hours per year. We will get rupees 0.60. Chemicals 20 into 50. 50 weeks per year. These chemicals, I came to here chemicals, isn't it? Chemical record weekly rupees 20. Weekly 20 means how many weeks per year? 50 weeks per year. Okay. Then divided by 2000 hours. We'll get 0.50 chemicals. Then power. Power 16 units into 10 pies per unit. 16 into 10 pies per unit. We will get rupees 1 rupee 60 paise. We have to total standing charges as well as variable charges. Standing charges how much? 1.50. Variable charges, we have to add standing charges along with the variable charges. So 150 plus rupee 45 paise. This is then 0.60, 0.50 and 1 rupee 60 paise. Altogether 4 rupees 65 paise. This is the machine hour rate of the machine. Can you understand this problem? You can do some more problems. Okay. From M.N. Arora, Cost Accounting, Himalaya Publishing House, New Delhi. And from R.G. Saha and others, Cost Accounting, Vision Public Book House, New Delhi. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you, students. Remaining, let me see in the next class. Thank you.